Queen Cuisine holiday idea recipes. So let's get started with some collard greens. I like to make sure to cut the ends and then lay them flat out. This makes it so much easier to chop them up, slice them, and dice them. Get rid of the ends. Don't worry, it will cook thoroughly. Wash them. You're going to have to wash them at least 5 to 6 times. Right here, this is the first round, second round. I didn't record all the rounds, but yes, wash them with water and salt. I like to use this device I got on Amazon. That device gets it nice and dry. Now you're going to put some onions and some garlic in and let them saute. Only for 5 minutes. Then apply the smoked turkey meat. Put in the chicken broth, fill it up to a broil, and then you want to place in the collard greens. Okay, you want to let them be in there for about 5 minutes before you put any seasoning whatsoever. Okay, I use some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, also some red crushed pepper, in addition to brown sugar. Yes, and a little bit of some Italian seasoning salt. I'm trying to tell you, the brown sugar and the red crushed peppers really complement each other. Next, I have the double eggs preparation. It's best to boil your eggs for about 15 minutes, take them out, get them nice and cool, and start. I'm dipping the eggs in the water to help wash them and then also to help remove the shells as well for the cooling process. Now I'm slicing up the eggs so I can be able to take out the filling so I can get ready to get the deviled eggs mixture together. It is really easy to use a nice soft spoon when scooping them out so they don't mess up the eggs. I'm crushing them up and I'm putting some mustard, some mayo, some paprika, and a little bit of some pepper into it too, and then pop them in there. Now I'm working on the chicken. This is called spat cocking a chicken, is when you remove the back part of the chicken spine so that you can flip it over and have it sitting there with a nice little BBL booty look. Yeah. Next are the desserts. I'm using cinnamon rolls. I'm just popping them out and I'm pressing them in. I'm using this ice cream scooper to help get them nicely deep inside of the cupcake holders because I want to be filled in. And I'm using peach fillers and cherry fillers to go inside of them. I'm going to bake them on about 375 for about approximately 15 minutes. And voila, this is what it comes. Let them cool and then definitely put that icing on top of them. Yes, these are some nice, lovely, sweet treats. I mean, mwah, okay. Now down to the final touches. We have some roasted baked chicken along with some roasted potatoes, collard greens with smoked turkey, double eggs, sweet treats, a roll, gravy. Yes, Dominic Queen, Queen Cuisine.